There are a few instructions that you will need to follow in order to have a successful and efficient purchasing process for your club. Anytime that you want to make a purchase, the first order of business is to find out whether or not the company of your choosing is a vendor within the University of Florida system. This can take up to 2 weeks to complete, so please let us know in plenty of time if there is a specific company you would like to use so we can send them their paperwork. The two forms that all vendors will need to fill out are the vendor application form and the vendor tax information form. On the vendor tax information form shown on your screen, it is essential that they answer all 9 questions in Part 5. If a particular question does not pertain to the company, they must write in NA or none. Once the organization becomes a vendor in our system, we can officially start the purchasing process. If this purchase is for apparel and you plan on using a university licensed logo, you will need to get prior approval to use that logo from the licensing coordinator at the University of Florida. That form can be found in the Documents section of Gator Connect and is shown currently on your screen. This can also take up to 2 weeks to get approved, so please plan ahead of time. After that, it is time to start gathering quotes for your order. For all orders under $5,000 total, we only need 1 quote to create a purchase order. For any order exceeding that $5,000 limit, we will need a total of 2 quotes. If you would like to use the company that presents the higher quote, you will need to provide a justification about why that company's product should be chosen. Emailed quotes are acceptable, as well as faxed copies and paper quotes on company letterhead. Once we have received the quote that you would like to use for your final purchase, a purchase order will be created. Please make sure to let the company know that they will receive this purchase order both through the mail and email, and this PO serves as a contract between them and the University of Florida, ensuring that the agreed amount will be paid once delivery of goods has been made. No company will receive payment prior to the goods being shipped. The PO generally takes 3 to 4 days to complete, and once that happens, the company can begin making and delivering the goods. A final invoice should be emailed to Judy McGrady at the email address shown on your screen. A check will be sent out to the organization within the set terms of their vendor contract with the University of Florida, which is usually either 15 or 30 days. All equipment will be added to the club's inventory, and an official inventory check will be done once per year for each club. Clubs may not sell their old equipment without written consent from the University of Florida, so please just let us know if there's something you want to get rid of. Do not pay for anything with your own personal accounts. The University of Florida cannot reimburse any club member for the purchase of equipment or apparel. If you buy it, you own it. And that's pretty much it for the purchasing process. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to help out in the office. We want to make this as successful and efficient for you as humanly possible.